We're preparing to perform peptide quantification. Start quantification within 1 hour of removing the peptide collection plate from the SP100 automation instrument. Check the gas supply and the MPE regulator for the appropriate pressures and launch ICS. Now we'll gather the consumables. Remove the room temperature consumables from the Proteograph PQR Labware Kit. Review the Proteograph Product Suite user guide for a full list of the required room temperature consumables. Remove the elution solution and Pierce quantitative fluorometric peptide assay reagents from 4 degrees Celsius storage. Confirm that the Pierce quantitative fluorometric peptide assay includes the Fluorometric Peptide Assay Buffer, Fluorometric Peptide Assay Reagent, and Peptide Digest Assay Standard. We prepared the peptide quantification consumables. Next, we'll load the deck.